Hi, today I will show you in a short video how to do more complicated styled components in Emotion with still having the ability to pass the same props. So the trick in the new TypeScript is really easy. You need to get the type of the styled component, like type of main. You need to use parameters that are built in TypeScript and extract the first parameter, and you will have exactly the same props as for the styled components. And then you can do like this, and then you can use it this way. So you can create another styled component out of it. Even if something is happening inside this component, you can have state here. This still be treated as a styled component that can be restyled. Thank you.